Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the hypersensitivity in detail. So what is hypersensitivity? Hypersensitivity means it is the undesirable immune response which is produced by the normal immune system and which leads to the tissue damage, disease or even death in a sensitized host or in sensitized individual. That is known as the hypersensitivity reaction. So simply you can say it is the altered immune response in the host. So similarly, the term allergy is also used synonymously to the hypersensitivity reaction. It is most commonly used term allergy, and this term was coined by the Owen Parquet in 1905. This hypersensitivity reaction occur in an individual where it get exposed initially to the antigen. So initial antigen contact that will sensitize the immune system, and this is called as the priming or the sensitizing dose. While the subsequent contact with the same antigen or the similar antigen that can cause the hypersensitivity reaction, and it is called as the shocking dose. So to develop the hypersensitivity reaction, it is necessary to sensitize the individual by the primary dose, that is priming dose, and then after a subsequent exposure to the same antigen, that will cause the hypersensitivity reaction, that is by the shocking dose. Now let us see the classification of the hypersensitivity reaction. As per the old classification, it is mainly classified as immediate type and delayed type of the hypersensitivity reaction. And this classification is based on the time taken by the sensitized host to develop the clinical reaction after exposure to the shocking dose. That's why they are classified as immediate and delayed. So we have already differentiated these types in our previous video. So according to the Coombs and Zell, this hypersensitivity reaction is classified mainly into the four types. The Coombs and Zell classified this hypersensitivity reaction as follows: the type 1 hypersensitivity, type 2, type 3, and type 4. Now one more newly added is the type 5 type of the hypersensitivity, that is the stimulated type. While type 1 is the anaphylaxis and atopy, type 2 is the cytotoxic, type 3 is the immune complex, and type 4 is the delayed or the cell mediated type of the hypersensitivity. So among these, type 1, type 2, and type 3 is mediated by the antibody, that is antibody mediated. Type 4 is the cell mediated. And the type 1, type 2, and type 3, they comes under the immediate type, and type 4 is the delayed type of the hypersensitivity reaction. We'll see the each type in detail in our next lecture.